Sophia. So I'm gonna measure how snow it is, and after we're gonna play, and then after I play, I'm gonna take a bath.
Yeah, because it's super cold outside.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Whoops! It's like 3 inches of snow.
Good. I think I broke it.
It's okay. No, you're fine. I think it's like 3 inches
2?
of snow. 3?
3.
3. Okay,
3.
try it in here. Put it in here. See how much we got in here.
2? 3?
Yeah.
2.
What about our rose garden?
But no,
Be
everybody.
careful right here on the.
Okay. Rose garden.
Right there, right there.
Ah. 2?
Let me see.
2? 2?
2 inches? Yeah. Not very much, huh? It's more over there, huh? It looks like there's more in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna. So now we're
I
gonna.
don't know if you can do it snow angel, Sophia, because I just touched the thing and it's super, super cold. But we try to predict. Oh my goodness, it's okay. Here, let me have it.
I can do snow angels.
You think so? Be careful here because you can slip.
What?
Look, honey buns.
I
I don't know, Sophia. It's really cold. Can you feel the cold? It's 30 degrees. Here, let's walk with me over here. Follow my steps. Or let me see your steps. Come on. Come on.
Can I go on the slide?
I don't know, Sophia. It's really cold. It's really cold.
I know it's really cold.
Look. Look at my foot. I think it's about 2 to 3 inches, huh? Oh my gosh. Let's see, put your hand in here. Ooh, Sophia, that's a lot of eyes. That is a lot. It is too cold to do that snow angel, Sophia.
What about snowman?
Well, we can do a snowman. Yeah, that you can do. Yeah. Checking out my roses here.
Mommy.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, Sophia.
Number 5.
Oh, I didn't bring gloves. Oh, how silly of me. How did I not bring gloves? Okay, try to do a little ball. How silly. How did I not bring it? Can you do a little ball or not? Oh my goodness, look at this. It's at least about 3 inches, huh? Come on. Let's check out this. Here's the bougainvillea. Oh, I hope I emptied that. Look at them.
Oh my god.
Careful, Sophia, careful. Anywhere you, yeah. Let me see this. Let's see this.
Ready? Go.
Ah! See this? Yeah, it's about 2 inches. Oh my gosh.
Mommy,
This is a bougainvillea. We forgot to cover that. A pomegranate tree. A blueberry tree. Careful with the boulder right here.
boulder?
Yeah, it's the big rock, remember? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at the little bench, how cute. Look at the angel. Look at the angel, how cute. All the snow on it. There's kids on the other side. There's kids on the other side. Try to do a snowman, or is it your hands too cold?
When is it too cold?
Yeah. Is it cold? Yeah, try to do one. Yeah. Try to do one. See? Pile it up. Is it too cold? Don't sit on it though. No? Oh, why didn't I bring my gloves? That's silly of me. Is that snow again? I think that's snow again. Let's go get the boys so they can help you do a snowman. Come on. And then we can take pictures of the snowman.
No.
Yeah. You can get it. Where's your little shovel?
Oh yeah.
Hey, don't run on the concrete because you could fall and slip. Remember, I told you the concrete slip. Hang on to that bar. Hang on, Sophia. Slowly. I should have gotten gloves. I don't even know where they are.
Is there mud goes with snow? There's mud.
It's okay, go. Why don't you do it here? Don't go too far. Oh gosh, that wind was cold. You don't have to shuffle it like that, Sophia. Just like this, look. See? Yeah, it's about 3 inches of snow.
Can I try?
Sure. I'm gonna grab the keys. Do I have any gloves in here? No gloves in here? What did I do with those new gloves? Oh, my poor roses. Oh, wow. The plants are doing good. There's some gloves in here. Let me see. So, how am I going to put these on? I'm going to try to put some gloves on, Sophia. The cannon lilies over there, oh my goodness. They are frozen. The elephant ear is also frozen. Oops. Can I put... How am I going to put these gloves on? Okay, I think I got them. Oops. Well, the plants look to be okay in here, y'all. My hands are so cold. I'm videotaping you, Sophia. It's okay. I'm just trying to put on my gloves. Now I gotta lock this little room up. But look how much inches of snow in here. Oh. You want to come in here for a minute, or you're good? It's warm in here, and I don't even have an AC unit, or I mean a heater in here.
We'll put one. We'll put one.
Yeah, I was thinking of doing that. If we don't turn this into a greenhouse.
Yeah, because we have plants.
Yeah.
I know. I'm so
We only have one window in here.
Yeah. We have
our
zero.
generator.
Yeah, sorry guys, this is a mess. Sorry.
It's a mess in here.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
Not too much.
Yeah, we can clean it up like
Yeah,
one day.
we need to get a little plate for that.
Wait, it's a mess.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this. Well, let me close it. I just came in for gloves. What happened? Here, let me go look at the birdhouses. You want to come with me? You want to come with me and look at the birdhouses? Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Here, before all the rain comes. Come on, let's look at not the rain, the weather. Come on. Oh, I forgot I have this camera over here. I forgot I had this camera going. If you play right here, I think you're able to see yourself on that camera. Oops, let me close the door. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I wanted to see the little houses. Look how cute they look with the ice on them, Sophia. Look at the cannon lilies. These throw in the orange bloom. Look at this. Isn't this so cute and adorable?
Hey,
Hey, Sophia.
fun.
Why don't you do a snowman in here? Put all the snow in there.
Oh. Hey, Mom.
Or use the shovel so your little fingers don't get all numb. Oh, I'm blocking the other camera. Oh my goodness. I want to wear the other glove, but I'm holding the camera.
So we're living in Texas.
Yes, and it does snow.
Yeah, I was like talking to Mom, like, hey Mom, it snows in Texas. She was like, no.
Well, it snows in Texas, but usually not in Houston. And we're in Houston, so 9A.
Yeah, but Texas it does.
Yeah, now it does.
Yeah, I told ya.
Yeah, you sure did.
You know what?
What?
What? I'm just gonna dump it all out. Dump this snow.
You know where this ice is from?
No?
This ice, I got it from one of those little yellow buckets that we have.
Yeah.
Yesterday it was full of water, the yellow bucket.
Yeah.
I don't know where, I'm trying to find one. I can't see one. Goodness. Oh. You're not cold? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm blocking your camera over here. Is it still recording? It's still recording. Let me use your camera to record. Let me see how I can do this. I'm gonna stop it. I can't record it. I can't stop it. And then try to turn it on. Come on. There we go. Sorry. And I'm trying to record with her tablet.
It's fun playing in the snow.
Right? Oh my goodness, Sophia. I am freezing.
This is part 2.
This part 2? Oh my goodness. Let me see. Let me see.
Hey, that's snow.
I know you got snow. You can't feel that wind? I feel the wind. Follow me, come on. Follow me. Look at my hands red already. Come on. Follow me.
First you have to find my shovel.
I'll find it in a minute. Come on, let's go this way. Oh, and be careful because I think we have stepping stones in here. Yeah, we're fine. I think so.
Yay.
Oh my goodness.
No.
What?
Watering can.
What is this?
My watering can.
Oh, this is the turtle. I was like, what is this?
No, my watering can.
I know. Here's the turtle. Look.
Oh, yes.
Careful with the turtle. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is where I want to make like a little secret garden in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What was that? Ah, a little garden thing.
Too hard. Mr. Turtle, are you okay? No,
I know. I think I need to start shaking off the ice, right? Or no?
Oh.
Oh. Clear it up, Sophia, with your hand. Clear it up.
Cut out like that.
Careful, Sophia. Be careful because remember there's stepping stones on here. Okay. Remember, you can slip with the cement. She found her secret shovel all on her own.
I'm already freezing.
I know. My hands are frozen. We're 16 minutes into the video.
Yeah.
You will remember this day, won't you?
Yeah, I'll remember.
Okay, there you go. I'm so cold. I said I'm so cold. All right, you ready? I need you to turn off one of the cameras. I have both cameras on. Oh, bye everyone.
Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. Oh my gosh, look at your hands. Can you take off one of your gloves? Is it frozen? What's going on?
Get frozen.
All right, everyone. Thanks for following our journey.
You did our snow journey.
Okay, turn off your video first. There you go. It's turned off. Okay. All right, everyone. See y'all later. Oh, by the way, it's 30 degrees and we're in Houston, Texas. I forgot to mention all that in the beginning. It's 30 degrees and it snowed today here in Houston, Texas, zone 9A. And there is some wind. Not a lot, but there is some wind and it's cold. And what else can I say? It's about 3 inches of snow. And there we have it. We'll see what happens later. Thanks y'all for following our journey. Hope you enjoy the snow here in Houston, Texas.